Hey guys, Devil Peaches here. So in the last video I told you guys that about 5 or 7, quite a big amount of my dolls are out for face up, and they just arrived today. They came safely. The box was massacred, but the dolls were safe. So that's a good thing. I will probably somehow manage to post pictures or something of the sort somewhere. Oh no! Oh, and because I've been having a little antsy feeling about my dolls missing, I put the only SD floating head I had that I kept home on my Impulse doll's body. Starman body, 65 centimeters. Yes, the resin match is terrible because this is obviously normal skin or normal pink skin, not even sure. Though he looks good on the body, so if he was white skin, it would look really good. Anyway, so yeah, I got antsy and put a body on the head on the body, my bad. So say hello to my Resin Soul Longhead, who is right now on my Impulse doll's body. If he will contributelessly say hello. Hi. Yes. So the dolls arrived there today. They were safe. The box is smushed, like I said, and it even says "do not crush" on it. They crushed it. Sorry, had to yawn. So yeah, I was out all day because I had to go help a friend, but I'm back now and I'm making a video update. So that's the update about the dolls being away. Now's the update about the artist doll. Ethereal Thicket is the plan for the artist doll company name, or just artist doll name. Well, no, the artist name that makes the dolls. You guys get it. Anyway, you know, like Dolls Zone's called Doll Zone. This one's gonna be Ethereal Thicket, something like that. I was talking to her today, and she is finishing sculpting, and she will be getting it cast very soon. So soon I'll have a artist doll to review on the channel, and hopefully I'll have her make a video here soon so that she can talk to you guys a little bit about it. I will see if I can post some photos of the progress of her doll so far on here. I'm not very good at editing videos. I'm sorry. I actually don't edit my videos at all. For the same reason that I'm not particularly sure how to. I don't even edit photos. I kind of just take the photo and that's how it is. I feel like I'm gonna break his head. So yeah, the artist doll. She's also making some clothes. She opened her clothing shop. I will be linking her store and below for BJD clothes. Her clothes are really nice. She doesn't have any in stock currently, but she will soon. So go ahead and bookmark that or whatever you have to do, but keep an eye out for that. Let's see. Dollism. Yes, she's going to Dollism, and the artist doll is going to Dollism. Maybe. So if she does, I will let you guys know. As for the doll itself, it is going to be a tiny size BJD, about the size of a pencil. So I need a pencil. Well, I actually don't have a pencil because I use mechanical pencils because I'm weird like that. Because I can't stand the feel of the wooden pencil unless it's a color pencil, because I am weird like that. I'm sorry. So yeah. And what was I doing?